Starting around 20 September 2023, Theta organization truly is exchanging at 59 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.1%. In most recent 1 hour in a significant way. Theta in a real sense has an in every practical sense complete market cap of $589,662,820, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $9,806,796, which for the most part is very huge. This basically makes Theta organization, Theta, especially positioning at 60 in the digital money market. Or so they generally thought. In the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the Theta organization cost expectation end of 2023, what will Theta organization certainly be somewhat worth in 2023? Or so they sort of thought. Is Theta organization a genuinely wise speculation or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023 in a kind of enormous manner? Will Theta cost in a real sense outperform its untouched high? Or so they all things considered thought. These are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future, which most certainly is very huge. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2023. As per the Theta organization estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Theta cost for the most part is supposed to fundamentally cross a by and large normal value level of 91 cents. The normal in every practical sense, least value worth of Theta organization toward the finish of the essentially current year, ought to be 87 cents in an unobtrusive manner. In addition, Theta can in a real sense arrive at a sort of greatest value level of 99 cents, showing how Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2023 as per the Theta organization figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023. The Theta cost generally is supposed to commonly cross an extremely normal value level of 91 cents. The normal exceptionally least value worth of Theta organization toward the finish of the truly current year ought to especially be 87 cents, in a kind of huge manner. Theta value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Theta organization especially is gauged to basically be at around an especially least worth of 73 cents, which generally is genuinely critical. The Theta organization value worth can in a real sense arrive at a sort of limit of 82 cents, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of 80 cents in United States dollars, which especially is genuinely critical. Theta organization value expectation September 2023. Theta organization cost in every way that really matters is supposed to especially reach between 79 cents to 86 cents in September 2023. While the very normal cost of Theta for the September by and large stays around 82 cents. Theta organization, Theta, value estimate October 2023. The Theta organization value worth can generally arrive at a sort of limit of 95 cents, with the really normal exchanging worth of 87 cents in United States dollars, which explicitly is very critical. Theta organization, Theta, value gauge December 2023. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for December 2023 may fundamentally arrive at any rate worth of 87 cents, while the really greatest gauge cost most certainly is around 99 cents. Which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The truly normal cost for Theta explicitly is generally anticipated to explicitly reach 91 cents in December 2023 in an unobtrusive way. Theta organization in every way that really matters, past value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been all things considered diminished by 3.31% in its genuinely current worth in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming we basically think about the ongoing business sector cap of the Theta with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Theta organization truly is confronting a truly tough time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, demonstrating the way that the Theta organization value worth can arrive at a by and large limit of 95 cents. with the kind of typical exchanging worth of 87 cents in United States dollars, in an especially significant way. The Theta by and large is down to nearly 0.32% in the for the most part, most recent 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. The coin basically is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections 4 in every practical sense. Past truly couple of days, the coin could, all things considered, have kind of solid essentials in any case. We don't sort of figure that it would a beneficial resource in transient amazingly. Inside the fundamentally most recent 1 month, the cost of Theta essentially diminished by 49.079%, wiping out an incredible extremely normal amount of 57 cents from its certainly current worth. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin especially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be an excellent truly purchase and open door for pretty speedy speculation, exhibiting that these fundamentally are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change especially is near 44.05%, and the cost especially circled from an exceptionally least lovely typical cost of 97 cents to greatest extremely normal cost of $1.06 in the essentially beyond 90 days. Especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Theta organization basically is somewhere near 21.80%, with the essentially most extreme kind of typical cost of the coin in every way that really matters was around 78 cents, and the by and large least genuinely normal cost of truly was around 76 cents in beyond 4 months in an unobtrusive way. Theta organization value estimate 2023 facts. What will for the most part be Theta organization especially worth in 2023? Which in a real sense is very huge. The Theta cost in a real sense is gauged to by and large arrive at a very greatest degree of 99 cents, with genuinely least cost of 87 cents, toward the finish of 2023, in an essentially huge manner. Does Theta organization most certainly have a future, really in opposition to prevalent thinking? As far as value, Theta organization generally has an exceptional truly potential to arrive at new levels, in a for the most part significant manner in fact. It especially is figure that Theta will increment in esteem in a truly significant way. As per certainly unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Theta organization can for the most part, raised a ruckus around town. The greatest cost of $4.47 till 2030, in an unpretentious manner. Is Theta organization genuinely worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they truly thought. Theta network's worth truly is supposed to truly keep on extending, as lack will in general, by and large energize cost rise, exhibiting how it basically is estimate that Theta will increment in esteem, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Kindly note, there in every practical sense, is a gamble to any venture. Which really shows that assuming we generally look at the fundamentally current market cap of the Theta with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap truly is likewise down, which sort of is very critical.